Cannabis Awards. You never know who you're gonna see. You never know who you're gonna interview. Hey, we got a special guest. We got the legend in the building. We got the one, the only, Freeway Rick Ross. He's out there. Hey, he here and he come to interview and talk to us. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What's up?
Hey, Mr. Freeway himself, man, the legend, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, man, well, we in Wheeling, man. Marijuana and positivity. We here at the 2021 Las Vegas Cannabis Awards, man. What brought you to the awards, Mr. Freeway?
I'm in the cannabis.
Huh?
I'm in the cannabis.
Hey, he said he here for the weed.
Absolutely.
Hey, tell the people a little bit about you.
Well, y'all know my story. I mean, Snowfall jacked me. That's part of my story.
Hey, Snowfall, that's his true story, people.
The rapper Rick Ross jacked me.
Hey, this is not the rapper. This is the real, original, OG Freeway Rick Ross in the building at the Cannabis Awards.
He rapping my story, so that's my own life in the 80s.
Yes, sir.
When I sold drugs.
Yeah.
But now, I'm a published author, 2 books and 1 novel.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The movie script, the script just got okayed on the 4th of July, so we're getting ready to start shooting the movie.
Okay, so we shooting the movie. We got the book, man. Hey, you at the Cannabis Award, man. Let me ask you a question,
Or
man.
marijuana brands.
Or marijuana brands?
Or marijuana
Hey,
brands.
let them know your brands.
LA Kingpin, Freeway, Yayo, in Harbor.
Remember, if you get any of them strands, that's Freeway Strand himself. So support.
And if you go to a store that ain't got it, tell them to get it.
Hey, tell him get that Freeway Rick Ross strand, man. He got the book. It's out. You know, Money Over Everything is one of our sponsors. So I had to support my brother Rick Ross by buying one of these books with cash in hand. You dig? Hey, so Freeway, man, tell the people what you got, what's in your future. What's coming?
Big. My movie gonna be the best movie ever at a theater. Ever at a theater. I'm working on a TV series. I got a couple boxers. Be on the lookout for Kid Austin, Napier Charles, Titus Williams, to name a few. So I'm doing boxing promotion. I got an artist I'm working with right now. Music.
Hey, Freeway Rick Ross doing big things, man. We ain't selling drugs no more. We selling books, we smoking medical marijuana, and we getting money while we doing it. Marijuana and positivity, the legend himself has came to the Cannabis Awards. Man, I appreciate you just for blessing me with your presence and coming on down to Wheeland.
Thank you for having me.
Hey, we got a couple gifts. You know, Wheeland, we like to give gifts, marijuana and marijuana products. So we gonna give you a couple gifts.
Yeah, we didn't bring none with us from Cali.
Hey, matter of fact, where can the people reach you?
Oh, you can get me at Freeway Ricky on Instagram, Freeway Rick on Freeway Ricky Ross on Facebook, and my website to buy the books, the T-shirts.
Buy the book, people.
You can get them at FreewayRickyRoss.com. And the weed sites is LA Kingpin and Freeway.
LA Kingpin and Freeway. Those are the man's real strands. This is the real deal, the legend himself. Not the rapper, the LA legend, Freeway. And I appreciate you for coming down. Thank you for the book.
Let's go there, okay? Let's get it together.
Hey, man, we got Freeway Rick Ross in the building. We got so much going on. It's a great event. Tons of marijuana products. Tons of flour. Tons of stars. Hey, it's rappers. We got so much going on, man. Y'all stay tuned. We're going to be taking brief breaks. And, hey, look, I'm sweating. It's hot. Stay tuned, man. We're going to have some more interviews. We going live all night, baby. Las Vegas Cannabis Awards 2021. Wheeling done made it, y'all. We just interviewed Freeway Rick Ross. You never know who's going to be next. Please stay